In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an FBX file into Blender, a crucial skill for anyone working with 3D models. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's get started by opening Blender. If you haven't installed it already, you can easily download it for free from the official Blender website. Once Blender is up and running on your screen, you're ready to move to the next step. Now, you'll need to locate the file you want to import. So, go ahead and open the folder where you've saved your downloaded FBX file. An FBX file is a popular 3D asset exchange format that supports a variety of data, including geometry, textures, and animations, making it a versatile option for use in Blender. With your FBX file ready, it's time to bring it into Blender. Simply drag and drop your FBX file directly onto the 3D viewport inside Blender. You should see the outline of the file as you drag it, indicating that Blender is ready to place it in the workspace. This intuitive method of importing helps keep your workflow smooth and efficient. As soon as you drop the file in the viewport, a window will pop up. This pop-up gives you the chance to tweak any import settings before your model is fully brought into the Blender environment. You might see options related to scale, orientation, or other import parameters. Take a moment to check these settings and adjust them based on your project needs. This flexibility ensures that what you're importing aligns perfectly with your existing project setup, minimizing the need for adjustments later on. Once you're satisfied with the import settings, click on the Import FBX button to finalize the process. And that's it. Your model is now imported into Blender's 3D space. You can begin working with it immediately, editing as needed to fit into your project's design. To wrap up, importing an FBX file into Blender is a simple yet powerful technique, essential for 3D artists who regularly integrate assets from various sources. Drag, drop, tweak the settings, and click Import. These are all the steps you'll need to master this part of your workflow. Keep exploring these import options, as they can significantly streamline your modeling and animation processes, ultimately saving you time and effort. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your 3D modeling journey easier. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy blending!